Packing Machine AR25 is designed for packing potatoes, carrots, onions, wooden pellets, and similar products into net-docked rachel bags wound on a reel. The machine frame is manufactured from solid steel and therefore is very durable and easy for maintenance. The loose strings of the bags are gripped by the V-belts, and the open bag is driven inside for filling, which is checked by an opto-electrosensor to prevent damage caused by accidental in-feed jamming. The entire process of product in-feed, bag separation, filling, closing, and transport is fully automated. The bags are separated by a vertical thermoelectric coil in the bag connector. The bags are closed by a high-quality fishbind sewing machine, which guarantees exceptional reliability for many years. With an optional thermal transfer printer, it is also possible to print on a polyethylene band actual packaging information such as EAN codes, best before dates, and any other data of your choice.